I'm going to demonstrate how you can use predefined drop-down lists so that the data that you entered is based on a previously defined list. So in this case, let's say we have sales reps, and you want to make sure that those names are all the time spelled appropriately. In another sheet in your spreadsheet, define the names. So we have Hubert, Mark, John, Samantha, and Mimi. So we have this column here. So under data, we want to do data validation. So we click on data validation and we choose data validation here. Right now it's to allow any value in this column. However, we can go here under choose and choose a list. Only a list of predefined names can be allowed to be entered in there. And then you simply go to the sheet that has the list of names. In this case, it's sheet number 4. And we go over right here. Now, you could pick a little bit of extra so that if you add another name in the future, you can leave some of blank areas here. So then we click OK. And now, notice we are back to sheet number 3. So now we are entering sales reps. Instead of you typing Tom, notice it doesn't allow you to do that. So now you have this drop-down list. You have Hubert, Mark, John, and so on. So you go to the next one, and so on. Now, if for some reason you wanted to add another salesperson on the list, now we go back, and over here, Jonathan is listed